Here I have 6 household substances, and we're going to test to see if they're an acid or a base. We're going to use the methods I showed you in the last video. I want you to observe them and then tell me in the comments if these are acids or bases. Good luck. Alright, so we're going to start with some pop. First we have phenolphthalein. Next, bromothymol blue. Carbonate. And finally, litmus paper. So is pop an acid or base? Next we have lemon juice. First, phenolphthalein. Next, bromothymol blue. Carbonate. And litmus paper. So is lemon juice an acid or a base? Next we have glass cleaner. We start with phenolphthalein. Bromothymol blue. Carbonate. And litmus paper. So is glass cleaner an acid or a base? Next we have an antacid. First, phenolphthalein. Next, bromothymol blue. Carbonate. And litmus paper. So is an antacid an acid or a base? Next we have ammonium cleaner. Phenolphthalein. Bromothymol blue. Carbonate. And litmus paper. So is ammonium cleaner an acid or a base? Lastly, everyone's favorite, coffee. First, phenolphthalein. Bromothymol blue. Carbonate. And litmus paper. So is coffee an acid or a base?